Hi.
Antonina and me.
Yep. Okay.
This Antonina's coming to my horse riding school next weekend. I mean this weekend, I think.
Yeah.
I don't know. I've got to ask my mum. If she doesn't come this time, she'll come next week.
Yeah.
And she will film.
Yep.
With Tubby. I'm going to film this week anyway, and a good video of Tubby.
Do you want me to video?
You're not coming. If you do come, yeah.
Oh.
But you're not allowed in, and you know that.
Yeah. Have to sit down.
But I come near you, so you can see Tubby. But you can't come in the stable.
Yeah, no.
You need my mum, but my mum won't get out of the car. So, no. But you can still see him. You can see like clearly. He's gonna be like from there. This is you, and this is him. So is that okay distance? So this is where Tubby's gonna be. Over there.
But not literally in my house.
Oh no, it's not. It doesn't matter. Just a random video that we're trying to do.
So if you have seen our last video, it didn't quite upload. So like,
What?
it didn't quite upload
Look how pink my finger is. It's like
on my phone. So
how awesome
it's
it's
called Day at the Park Gone Wrong. Yeah.
Did we upload it?
It's 31% and I need to get Wi-Fi.
Still.
And I've got an idea, okay? So, after this video, I'll give you my idea. So, we've just been watching some Big Brother House. Delilah is the cutest little dog in the world. Well, not really, but...
Oh, finally.
Okay, but she is pretty cute. She's pretty cute. And, yeah. See, there's just... We're watching Big Brother right now. But you can't see Delilah right now. Anyway... So yeah, my mum's not here. No one's here except for me and Maya. We've just been to the
There's
park.
Delilah. Oh wait, no, he just went past. There it
This is Delilah. So, she's the cutest, she's the cutest dog. So,
That is it. So, goodbye, random video. Delilah, hold on.
I can find her.
Oh, there she is. That collie there. No, not her. Bye-bye. There she is. There she is.
Okay, see ya. Comment below what your favourite...
Horses. Who are your favourite horses?
Or if you're a boy and you don't like horses.
Boys do like horses. There's a boy.
Or like if you don't like horses.
Then why would they be watching this video? Oh my god. Okay, see ya. Oh, good God. I swear it's not stopping.